This is the 6th home that we've built with our friends at MarineMax. The MarineMax team came out and worked on your home and put in hundreds of hours. They've also, over the years, contributed hundreds of thousands of dollars to the Habitat mission.
The fact that we've been able to do this 6 times over, we hope to do it 6 more, 1,000 times after this. So it's really just a great opportunity for MarineMax and for the community.
We had several team members who wanted to come out, and it just seemed like there were not enough days on the schedule to accommodate everyone. So hopefully next year we can have even more hours to contribute to.
Thank you, MarineMax, for all your hours, support, manpower, woman power, and generosity. Without you, this would not be possible.
And MarineMax, you guys are amazing. I can't thank you enough. To you and to your employees, it might be just a day of volunteer, but for me and my son, it's a lifetime of changes. So thank you so much.